In this video, we will show you about Excel formatting basics. Let's get started with choosing a theme color. Click the Page Layout tab and click the arrow next to the Theme Colors button and choose a theme color. Select the title, then drag to select the range of cells up to column G and click the Merge and Center button. To unmerge the cells, use the same button. Let's apply the bold, italic, and underline formatting. There's also an option of double underline. Let's change the font size. To adjust the row height, double-click between the rows. Let's change the font and font color. To undo, simply click the Undo button. Let's left align the title. Select the title and subtitle and click the arrow next to the Fill Color button and choose a fill. These colors are based on the theme color that we chose earlier. For the selected text, choose an alignment. Let's change the angle of the text. Click the arrow next to the Cell Styles button and select a heading. Now let's apply the total cell style. Click the Accounting Number Format button. For the selected cells, click the Comma Style button. You can increase or decrease the number of decimals. If you would like to change the date format or number format, select the cell or cells and click the arrow next to the format box and click More Number Formats. Select the format you would like and click OK. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.